listen to the question and answers and improve your English. Subscribe for more.
What's your name?
My name is Kobita.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Where are you from?
I am from New York.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English. Do you like to cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What do you usually do after work?
Usually watch TV or read a book.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Do you like to exercise?
I go for a run every morning.
Where do you live?
I live in Kolkata.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee very much.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and rock music.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What time do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have any plans for this evening?
Yes, I'm going out with friends.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I enjoy every night before bed.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
What's your favorite type of book?
I enjoy reading English book.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is School Love Story.
Do you like to bake?
Yes, I love baking cookies and cakes.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up around 6:30 a.m.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like play badminton.
Do you have a favorite singer?
Yes, I really like Zubeen Singer.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
I love going to the mountains.
Do you like to draw or paint?
Yes, I enjoy painting landscapes.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a bit tired today.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I like taking long walks in the park.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I have a small garden at home.
Where did you learn English?
I learn English at school.
What's your favorite place to eat?
I like eating at a small cafe near my house.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes and shoes.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Can you drive Scooty?
Yes, I can drive Scooty.
Do you prefer books or movies?
I prefer books, but I enjoy movies too.
Do you like to listen to music while working?
Yes, it helps me concentrate.
Do you enjoy watching sports?
Yes, I like watching soccer.
What's your favorite ice cream topping?
I love hot fudge on my ice cream.
What's your father name?
My father name is John.
Do you like to take photo?
Yes, I enjoy photography as a hobby.
Do you love ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What's your favorite animal?
I love horse.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I enjoy flying to new place.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I usually have a sandwich.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
I love going to the beach with my family.
What's your mother name?
My mother name is Mary.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
How do you relax?
I relax by taking a long walk.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is water.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I enjoy hiking and picnicking in the park.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is an apple.
Do you like to spend time with your family?
Yes, family time is very important to me.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
Do you like to watch movie at home or in the cinema?
I prefer watching movie at home.
Do you like to watch cartoons?
Yes, I enjoy watching cartoons sometimes.
What do your father do?
My father is a teacher.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
I use the Instagram most.
What's your favorite things about your home?
I love the cozy living room.
What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy painting in my free time.
Do you like to visit friends?
Yes, I enjoy spending time with my friends.
See you later.
Thank you. Bye bye.